Hi friend, very good evening. I'm Rashid, and today I'm going to explain you about some that FM200 panel. So you can see from here, this is a 5 panel FM200 system. So as in my previous video, I have explained you about the that cylinders, that how it was connected, and how the panel used to work with their um, working principle of this panel. I'm going to explain you. Generally we can see from here: AC power, alarm, trouble, supervisory, silence, ground fault, abort, release, disabled, release, pre-discharge. These are the the on menu of this panel it is showing here. So what happened, generally I can show you the cylinder room of FM200. Come here, I'll show you. This cylinder room is for UPS area and battery room. You can see the cylinder. In my previous video I have already shown that this is the FM200 cylinder that contain HFC gas, that is a hepta fluoropropane, and this is the actuator, that is solenoid valve, and these are the lower pressure switch and discharge pressure switch, and this is pressure gauge, and it will operate on 360 psi. And these are the module which is connected to these electromechanical switches devices. So these are the impulse release module. So these are some general connection. So what happened, so I can now explain you about this to the panel of. So what happened, that when generally we come, I'll show you the nozzle of come. This is the battery room. You can see this is the battery room, and I'll show you the nozzles, FM200 nozzle. You can see from here. This is FM200 nozzle, and see the detectors. You can be more clear from here. So zone wise the detector we have generally installed. See here one, and it is now coming. Here it is 2. Now when to the panels, there is 3, there is 4, smoke detector and heat detector both. This orange lines wire is for FM200 detection purpose. So it is covered like zone wise. So these are the battery room. So what happened actually, when the detector, if there will be any fire over here, that detector will if there will be any fire in this area, that detector will make a detection and send an impulse signal to the panel, which I show you outside of this room. And that what that will the panel will do, the panel will give signal to the you can say the alarm bell. I can show you the bell. Generally it is not here now, and this is the manual release. You can see from here, this is the manual release. Like this we have a manual abort button, manual abort. See, this is abort button. You can see from here, yellow color, it is for abort button. So what happened, this detector will make a detection, and I show you now. I just show you two detectors from here. So what happened actually? So what happened? The detector will make a detection. The first detector I saw you, the fourth detector was there in loop, that in that area above that battery room. So what happened that first detector will make a detection, and it will send a signal to this panel, and this panel will send signal. It will make a send signal to the alarm, warning alarm bell, which is inside here. That will be activated and start ringing. So as soon as the second detector which I shown you just now will make a detection, what it happened that it will send a signal to this panel, and this, and as the second detection will made by the detector, the second zone detector, what happened that all the ventilation system, that is AHUs and air conditioning system, damper store, that all will be shut down, and uh, uh, this panel will start countdown for 60 second, like 59, 58, 57, this wise it will go up to 0. As in between that we'll have to come, as we come to know about that there is a bell is going on, ringing on, we'll have to reach here, and we'll have to go inside of this room, and we'll have to check that is there is any fire or not. Is if there will be no any fire, then we what we'll have to do is that if you will find that here in this area there is no fire, so what we'll have to do, we'll have to just hold this for some second, for 10 seconds, to stop the that countdown, so that if the gas will be not going to release from this nozzle. This is the nozzle, so we'll have to, this is abort button. If there will be no any actual fire, then we'll have to stop, we'll have to press this abort button to we'll have to hold this button to stop the releasing from that panel. So now, so what generally we'll have to do is that, so if you will do like this, then the gas will be not going to be released from here, right? And if there will be any fire, actual fire, then we don't have to press that yellow abort button. As the 60 second will be over, that what happened, a signal will come to this signal will send up impulse signal to the that I can show you that this actuator, this is the actuator, you can see this is the actuator. A signal will come from that panel, and what it is, electromechanical device. It will take the signal and electrically take the electrical signal and do a mechanical work. It will, there is a needle inside like this, it will press, or it will give a push to this. Here there is a cap of this there is a cap of this cylinder. It will be open, fully open, and the gas will release from this pipe, and it will go to that nozzle, and it will be released within these 10 seconds. Within the 10 seconds, this all function will be happen, that all condition will be happen, and gas will be released from this pipe, from this cylinder, and it will extinguish the fire, if will be any actual fire over that battery room. So these are the some knowledge about this panel and FM200 system. So if you like, and I can show from here, it is now in AC mode, it is good condition. If there will be any fault, then if AC will be cut off, then we have a battery backup of 24 volt DC. It will be activated on that. Alarm, if there will be any fire, the alarm will come. Trouble is generally related to the actual fault in this this panel and the system of that cylinder room of which is connected to there. And supervisory generally for for that pressure switches. If there will be any low pressure, it will come as a supervisory silence. We'll have to see the alarm, and we'll have to, if you want to make it silent,